What is printer service? Printer service is the solution for resolving issues with your printer or copier. Superink offer versatile assistance, including remote support via phone or desktop services, as well as on-site visits from skilled technicians. Whether you require immediate troubleshooting or hands-on maintenance. Most common printer issues. Common printer issues can vary depending on the type and model of the printer, as well as how it's used. However, some issues tend to be more prevalent across different printers. Here are some of the most common printer issues. Paper jams. Paper jams occur when paper becomes stuck in the printer's rollers or other internal components. This can be caused by using the wrong type or size of paper, overfilling the paper tray, or debris inside the printer. Another common issue is printer unusual noise. Unusual or loud noises coming from your machine. Our technicians are trained to diagnose and address any mechanical issues, ensuring your printer operates smoothly and quietly. Sometimes, the problem lies within. Hardware malfunctions such as a malfunctioning paper feeder, damaged print head, or faulty control panel can cause a range of printer problems and may require professional repair. From replacing internal parts like a motherboard to fixing hardware malfunctions, our experts have got you covered. Print quality issues can manifest as blurry or faded prints, uneven color, or misaligned text or graphics. These problems can be caused by low ink or toner levels, a dirty print head, or incorrect printer settings. Scanning issues may include errors during the scanning process, poor scan quality, or difficulty connecting. Corrupted printer drivers can cause various problems, including printing errors, compatibility issues with the operating system, or failure to recognize the printer. Error messages can indicate various issues with the printer, such as a paper jam, low ink or toner levels, a malfunctioning component, or software problem. Need to make configuration changes or add new users to your printer. Our technicians are adept at making adjustments to suit your specific needs. And when it comes to printer installation, leave it to us. We'll ensure seamless setup and integration into your workspace. Last but not least, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your printer. Our technicians will perform thorough checks and tune-ups to keep your printer in top condition. When it comes to printer service, Superink got you covered. With over a decade of experience in the industry, Superink dedicated team is here to ensure your printers are running smoothly. Whether it's paper jams, unusual noises, or hardware malfunctions, our skilled technicians have the expertise to address any problem efficiently. And with transparent pricing and a commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to deliver exceptional service every time. Don't let printer issues slow you down. Contact Superink today for reliable printer service you can count on.